Samidoh mwenyewe utamchukua hivi, umrudishe kwa 8 days. Umrudishe kwa bibi yake, umwambie toka.
Karibu tena guku gwa Kikuyu Daily News, na ikore mgeni tweka wa gusubscribe niguo tunyitanire na thengio. Kare nyamu hihi ni urajigwa tiga kwirigiriria muthuri kihiko is not by force by fire. Menyerera ndukanatiganirio ni Samidoh wicigo matha wa ciana gibao. Icio ni ciugo mwaki iria irekereirio ni muhuthiri umwe wa nenda, akiuga kihiko gia Senator Kare Nyamu kuonania kino ahote guikara ta mutumia wa muini Samidoh better than uria Nderitu akiri na guthie na mbere guturithia Edi guku mitambo-ini ni akerira. Na muthenya ni urakinya oe Samidoh imwe kwa imwe amucoke kwi mutumia wake Edi, amu kihiko ti kihuthu na makiria kuhana toraka kihiko giaku by force niguo ukorwo githirikia another woman. Muhuthiri uyu akiuga ti wega Karen akorwo akibank wendo wake muno na Samidoh, kuona athuri no aria disappoint mundu na muthia. Akiuga Karen athii uguo athiete agatiganirio ni Samidoh eta single mother wa ciana 20. Miario yake iria iguciriirie mashabiki ma Edi Nderitu ario nao marekereirie ndumiriri ciao cia gukirira Kare Nyamu maranga ariwe wa mbere kuga she thinks she can be a better wife than Edi, ati Kare Nyamu iciragia ke ni mutumia ngatha na mwagiriru muno wa kuhikio ni Samidoh makiria ma Edi Nderitu. Kairitu ka Wanjira onake akiuga she wanted to make a fight with Edi but she didn't get what she wanted. Edi Nderitu is a learned person. Team nothing but prayers, we are okay. Uyu ari mwaho wa team iria supportagi Edi, team ya nothing but prayers, akiuga ni akenu muno ni uria Edi arashugurika na maundu make na kuhe Kare Nyamu zero attention. Mugaru na hopes cia Kare Nyamu uria ukoretwo akiremera mbara gatagati kao, nake Diana akihinga ndereti ino na kuga the problem with Karen, she was after competing, like alikuwa anataka Edi abishane na yeye but wapi, Edi is intelligent, she left them to do them. Akiuga Edi ni mugi muno kuona atigire Samidoh na Kare Nyamu makomoranie ciongo ciao mario oikane. Ino niyo video iria tumurite kiririmbia kia ndereti nene muno guku nenda-ini. Kikuyu Daily News, subscribe.
Kare Nyamu wa Samidoh. So we say, I know you don't know me, but the first time we met for flight, the second time we met for SGR, the third time we met for wedding year photo. Karen, I want to tell you something about marriage. Marriage is not easy. Sawa. As much as you're posting this shit with Samidoh and everything, trust you me, it will reach a time you will regret. Huyo Samidoh mwenyewe utamchukua hivi, umrudishe kwa 8 days. Umrudishe kwa bibi yake, umwambie toka kwenda. Sawa? Please come slowly, because you're forcing issues. Like una by force. Sawa? Marriage si kitu ya by fire by force. Even if you feel like umezaa na Samidoh hivyo, still come slowly mama, come slowly, because you don't know men. You will be disappointed very well. Taachwa hapo kwa single mother. Watoto 20. You will remember me.